Namo Buddhaya. When we are living our life, sometimes we become rejected by people. Rejection is a common experience that we all have faced in all of our lives. But sometimes people, when they face rejection, when they have been criticized, when they do not fit into the places in their life, they become so stressed and depressed and frustrated. Remember, rejection is one of the best motivations in this world. Okay? It depends on how you use it. You can use the rejection to build up yourself, as well as you can use the rejection to make yourself even more worse. So it depends on how you use it. Successful people used the rejection to build up themselves. Successful people become more and more motivated when they are being rejected. Now, when we face these types of experiences, maybe rejection, maybe criticism, maybe bullying, maybe anxiety, depression, work stress, whatever the experience is, whatever the hard experience is, when we face these problems, we think this stimulation, this experience is going to last forever. But in reality, it is not. Right? So, rejection is a common experience. Even Supreme Buddha was rejected by the people. Now, before he became the Buddha, there was a time he was struggling and he was practicing the self-mortification so hard. He was giving so many sufferings to this body to try to find the way of liberation from sufferings. So at that time there was rituals like that. Even for today, the people practice this self-mortification. So when they are practicing that, they should give up and they should decrease eating. They should give up sleeping. They have to undergo very hard rituals of meditation, maybe practices. So when he was doing it, there were 5 ascetics around him who was helping him. And finally, after 6 years of hard trying and self-mortification, our bodhisattva decided that no one can find the ultimate liberation through this method, through self-mortification. So he decided to take some food to maintain his physical energy. So in that moment, those 5 monks around him saw this, that he is taking foods, and they thought that he has given up the way. Now he is not going to be enlightened. So at that time, those 5 monks did not believe on our bodhisattva. So what they did was, they rejected him. They left him in the jungle and they went off. Our bodhisattva was alone. But did he give up? No. So it was a blessing to his life. He could practice his meditations alone. So he gathered up some energy to his body by having some food, and he started meditating. He started developing himself. He did not care about the rejections. He did not care about the people who left him. And on a beautiful Vesak Poya day, He became the Buddha. He was enlightened. Do you know what he did after being enlightened? He went to see those 5 monks. And he was so grateful for those 5 monks. And he preached Dharma to them. The Dharma that was realized by the Buddha. And he became so grateful, and he showed his gratitude to them. So, it doesn't matter that people rejected you. What you have to do is, you have to constantly develop yourself, focus on yourself, right? Do the best thing that today you can do. And also, in the same time, you have to be kind to them. Because the reason that they rejected you is they did not know your full story. They did not understand your strengths. So you don't want to be unkind to them. Still, you can be kind to them. Right? That is how you should be a good human. Right? So use the rejection as a motivation to build up yourself. Don't be sad. Remember, life is like an ocean. When the voyagers are going on the ocean, the sailors face so many storms and turbulence and tornadoes. When the sea journey is getting more hard and tough, the voyage becomes more interesting and beautiful, right? People talk about more tough and rough sea journeys, but they don't talk about peaceful and calm sea journeys, right? So remember, your life becomes more interesting and more beautiful when you face the difficult situations, tough times, criticisms, bullies, and rejections in your life. So when you use those bitter experiences as a motivation to your life, you will be a successful person in the world. So use the rejection as the motivation. Namo Buddhaya.